me like a Hellcat.
Hi, welcome back to Travels. This is again Isabella Santiago and welcome to my channel. So here we go again, back to reality. After almost more than 2 months of quarantine, we are now back to operations with the R&D call center. So ayun, hopefully we would be able to catch up with all the losses that we generated for the past few months of no operations. And of course, only selected people still that we have for that was allowed to come into the office, and we still have the home base actually. So here we go. Let me show you some taste of our office. So here we go, not complete. So here we go. So here is my table. Here's where I do all the confirmations, offices, meetings. Ayan. Oh, guys, say hi. Upload natin yan. Ayan, so here's the hallway. And we still have on the other side another room where we also do have another office on the other side. Yeah, we're still allowed to wear face masks. Here's the other room. So we are now going to, we are located at the Conti's Plaza building. So this is actually the way going inside. And here is the front desk. And that's the waiting area. So we're actually located right on the second floor. So of course, let's go. So again, we're on the second floor of Conti Plaza building. So let's go and let's do the office tour. So here we are. So it's gonna be 2 rooms that you can actually see. And there you go, we're complete with facilities. Okay, so you just have to ask in the front desk or in the call center. So second floor. All right, let's go. Hello guys, now as promised, I'm gonna give you some place of our sales floor operations. But let me just let you know, this is only one of our branches that we have. We have in Bucura, and the one here in Olongapo, and the rest over the Manila area. Then the one that we have here for orange is in Olongapo, right at the city. So we'll show you some glimpses, as I mentioned, some glimpses of our office. So let's go. So this is actually the corridor that we have where employees can go ahead and wait. Of course, they need to log into our biometric just to make sure that we are actually getting the right time that they log in and they log out. We also do have here the bulletin board where we put some updates with birthdays, circle of winners, all the achievements that the management team and agents been getting. So here we are. We also do have here the waiting area where they can wait, and we have our own elevator, of course. So we're actually, guys, on the second floor, but then we suggest our employees they can just use the stairs. But if they actually like late, so they can actually use the elevator. So here we are. It's on the second floor of the elevator. Now, of course, this is actually the main floor. The main floor. So only employees are allowed to use this one. So here we go. We do have like 32 seats for the morning and 32 for the graveyard. We actually been running for 2 shifts, and we actually made our own designs here. So it's a personally designed by us, credited to Miss Mika Castillo. So you have your come and get me some prices if other events that we have with the team buildings per team actually. Then we do have here the board of shame or the board of fame. So where we put all the sales that they generated. And of course we do have our own clock. We already used the other one. Then this is actually my mini office. So where I do some paperwork, confirmations and everything. I thank you of course to my boss, Ms. Lenny Calderon, for providing this one to us to work efficiently. And of course it's been like 24/7 with CCTV to make sure that we can overview what's going on a day-to-day basis operations. Then, now let's go to the second room of sales. So, we have here a small room. It actually can occupy up to 24 personally designed by us as well. So we have here 2 whiteboard, and that's it. And of course, guys, we're also looking for more expansion. So within this year, we would be able to make some expansion on the other side of the building. So it's already ready for occupancy. But just want to make sure that we also do have enough manpower and accounts that can actually handle the bulk of employees, future employees that we will be having. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and you like. So just don't forget, before you end watching, do not forget to please do like, subscribe, and click the bell to keep you updated. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell to keep you updated.